In our last episode, we sailed from Milford, Connecticut down the East River and under the Brooklyn Bridge. And we had such a picture-perfect finish when we arrived in Beaufort, North Carolina, and the welcome committee was there to greet us. My sister-in-law, Anne, let us tie up at her beautiful dock for the winter in Beaufort, North Carolina. Truth be told, it wasn't a perfect finish. We had some major engine problems with the 40-year-old motor overheating. I had to rebuild the water pump 3 times on our way south because the engine was clogged up with barnacles, and fishing line got wrapped up around the propeller as we were pulling it to Beaufort. So we decided to go with a new motor instead of trying to repair the old one. So in the spring, we had Summerfest towed to Jared Bay Marina and started the process of repowering the boat. Here, Summerfest is getting the high pressure wash, getting any growth and barnacles off her bottom. And this is what it looked like with the fishing line wrapped around the propeller. Not good. The old motor worked well for a long time, but it was time to upgrade to something more reliable because we're going to be putting in a lot of hours on the motor as we travel south to the Bahamas. The Bavaria design allowed for great access to the motor from the back, front, and top. The old motor was taken out. Finally, the new motor arrived and the sail drive from Sweden. The new motor and the sail drive went in with a perfect fit. Time to bring the dinghy back to the boat. The best way to do that is to strap it to the roof of a rental car. We both had to get into the car like NASCAR drivers. Now the dinghy is on top. The bottom has been painted, added our port of call to the back of the boat. Summerfest is going back in the water, and off we go on our journey. But we did have a little problem with our new engine, but more on that in our next episode.